The transition to basketball didn't come without its pains.
I was not used to throwing a ball in a basket. I was used to spiking it.
But that was to be expected from McAllen High's young girls basketball team.
We were going to be young anyway, but we had to play some sophomores on the varsity early, and we had some injuries, and we had to wait for the volleyball girls, and we had to wait for basically 4 girls.
A rocky start to the season suddenly had the Lady Bulldogs relying more on a young core of volleyball players led by Pebleton. That is, of course, after they arrived to the team 2 weeks into the basketball season.
We've always been kind of a more of an up-tempo team, but once we got the big girls, the 5'11", 6-footer, from volleyball, we had kind of went more to a slow-down game, and it took a while for everybody because we kind of changed what we were doing.
But Pemberton, along with fellow freshman Taylor Helmkamp, Carrie Guerra, and sophomore Allison Amaya, have helped build the team chemistry since joining the team on November 19th, though that wasn't the case early on.
At first it was kind of hard mixing in the new people, the freshmen and everything, without the volleyball girls. But once they came in, some of the stuff started to flow a little bit. We're getting more chemistry now than we did before.
At 4-5 in District 31-5A, the Lady Bulldogs are still hopeful for a playoff spot, something they missed out on last year by 1 game. With their youth, a postseason appearance would be a building block in the long run.
I think it helps the younger kids play in those pressure games and kind of gives us a better idea that they can kind of handle it as we go along.
But the Lady Bulldogs are thinking of now.
Yeah, we're hoping that we can get up into the district and overall make it into playoffs.
No matter the injuries and everything, our team is getting better day by day, and I feel like we could go far.
From McAllen High for 956 Sports, this is Alex Peña.